So anyway, guys, it's Samana Pizangusele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Monday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. Guys, the people have been saying, oh, good, almost like has a soft spot for Mayeni. You see how he treats him. You can tell what we am tanda Mayeni, guys. Some people are saying, good, they just pretend for the camera, guys. Mayeni has been saying this. People will do anything for their camera. If you watch a direct section Yamayini Musamsalaka, you will think they hate each other. Kanti Dololo, these two, they love each other. Look how happy he is, Musamsalaka, around Mayeni. Some people are saying, would say, as long Mayeni and Mangwabe happy, or Musamsalaka, he doesn't care. Even now, since Mangwabe decided to stay no Mayeni, they are fine. You can see he's no longer sick, he's fine. That's why Mayeni was saying, when Augulu at the end, she knows something we don't know. So some are saying when it comes to Toby, she's that woman, she needs to force to be loved. Because when we were watching Utano in September from season 1 to season 5, I think we thought Musamsaleko loves Toby because Toby, she was making sure to be around Musamsaleko, being the woman that she is. You will see videos around social media. She'll buy something for Musamsaleko and then she will post on her social media, like the love she was making sure to give more love to her husband, because she was the Bogoto, she was the biggest. She's just doing little, but when it comes to the love Musamsalaka he's giving to Mayeni, I guess it is too much. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, a comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.